Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I want to welcome you to Work Smarter, Not Harder with our speaker today, Christoph Nauer. Christoph is a native of Zurich, Switzerland, and he is pursuing the American dream. He is a certified time management master. He holds a BA in business and teaching credentials from Switzerland and a master's degree in theological studies. As a founder of Balance 6, Inc., Christoph helps business owners develop systems so they can improve productivity, profits, personal life, and their personal life by balancing 6: money, health, relationships, time, self-improvement, and higher power or spirituality. His clients dramatically increase their productivity and time off with less stress. I mean, look where he is right now. He's having less stress. He has a growing list of happy clients who experience a sense of empowerment in both business and life. Christoph lives in San Francisco Bay Area and has been happily married to Kate for over 30 years, and they have 3 adult children. So I'm going to now turn it over to Christoph, and but first let you know if you have questions, let's put them in the chat. Thanks, everybody, and here's Christoph.
Well, thank you very much for the introduction, Anne, and thank you all and welcome. I'm so glad that you came today and that you are giving me your most valuable commodity, which is time. Warren Buffett says, I can buy anything in the world I want except time. And how we spend it is really critically important to our own personal well-being and our businesses. So today we're going to talk about, proven strategies to double or triple your productivity, profits, and time off. So again, thank you to Anne for inviting me. If you have questions, jump in. I think if Anne allowed you to talk to me, that's fine. Jump in and say, hey, I have a question. The chat I can't really see, but Anne will see that and put in the questions for me. If you haven't had a chance
So I just I just allowed everybody to talk. So I think you guys can talk. Does somebody want to say something?
Hi, Anne and Christoph.
There we go. So you guys can just identify yourselves and ask questions directly if you'd like, or you can put them in the chat and I will read them off for you. Okay?
Sounds perfect.
How this works. Excellent.
Thank you, Anne. Now, no worries. There's nothing to buy today. There's no hard sell after presentation. I don't know about you, but I've been to so many presentations that were free. And at the end, there was just this push, buy my stuff and so forth. I don't like that, so I don't do it to anybody else. Actually, I have a gift for you if you stay till the very end. So if you want to learn more about me, you can, besides what Anne just did, you can go to my website. There's a 7-minute video that talks about me and what I do and how I got to where I am today. I'm not going to talk about myself because that's a waste of your time. But I do promise you time together today will be invaluable. You'll walk away with a lot of golden nuggets that you can implement right away. So sit back, relax, and close your eyes and imagine having an extra hour or 2 a day. What would that do for you? Imagine a feeling of accomplishment and satisfaction at the end of the day, knowing that everything critically important that need to get done got done. What would that do for you? How would that make you feel? It all starts with clarity. I know that's kind of surprising, isn't it? But it really is, according to my mentor and trainer, Brian Tracy, the most important concept in personal productivity. It's the #1 way to get more work done faster. The greater the clarity, the easier it is to complete a task. Brian Tracy says the key principle of life and productivity is that you become what you think about most of the time. And that's why successful people always think about their goals. Yeah, see, Anne, now we got, that's exactly what I was afraid of. Now it's clunky. Do you hear that? It won't allow me to advance my slides, even though we practiced right before the before the webinar. You hear the clunk?
Okay. Let me do 2 things. I'm going to pause the recording and then